There are times when we delete unnecessary items from our computer in order to make room for our other important files and folders. However, there can be instances that this habit can result into losing important data, such as Chrome bookmarks. Now, if you have somehow deleted your Chrome bookmarks accidentally, you will have to know how to recover those bookmarks. And I know you're scared and freaking out because of this loss, but don't worry, these bookmarks are recoverable. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Methods of recovery. In this video, I have some methods which will surely get you your deleted Chrome bookmarks. In the first two methods, we won't be using any dedicated software for recovery, but if those methods won't work for you, then we'll be using the ultimate method, which we'll be discussing in the later part of this video. Method 1. Undo deleted bookmarks in Chrome. Our beloved Google Chrome has this bookmark manager, which has an undo option to enable us to recover our bookmarks. For that, open Google Chrome. Press the Ctrl Shift O keys on your keyboard to open the bookmark manager. Select the bookmark list from where you want to restore. Then press Ctrl Z keys together to undo deleting the bookmarks. If this method didn't work for you, then try the next method. Method 2. Restore Chrome bookmarks with DNS cache. There are instances when after updating Google Chrome to its latest version, your bookmarks are deleted. For this case, with the help of DNS cache files, you can recover them again. Now, to do this, follow these simple steps. First, go to your Start and search for CMD. After that, open it. Now type in this command. With this command, all the recently visited websites will appear in the window, and you can browse them in Chrome and set them as bookmarks again. Now, by any chance, if none of this method worked for you, then try the ultimate method of recovery, which is by using Tenorshare 40dig. Tenorshare 40dig is one of the best data recovery software that is available on the market right now. And the best part is that it can be used both for Windows and Mac. And along with that, it can also recover over 1,000 different file types such as photos, documents, audio, etc. So make sure to download 40dig from the official website or check the video description to get direct download links. Okay, after installation, run 40dig. Next, select the folder or location of Google Chrome's bookmarks and click on Scan. Select the file type that you want to recover. For me, it'll be documents, so I'll select that. But if you want, you can also select all the file types. Now 40dig will scan the folder or location for your lost bookmarks. This process might take some time, so I would suggest you to enjoy a cup of coffee while you wait. Alright, now search for the file named bookmark. Select it and click on the Recover button. After that, select the location where you want to paste in your lost bookmarks, and finally click on Recover. Now within a short time, you'll have your bookmarks back, and to view them, click on View Recovered. Well, in this way, you can recover your deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome, and I'm pretty sure that one of these methods will definitely work for you. And lastly, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you'll not miss out any of our future contents. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!